Okay, so this is a commentary for Codeforces, what is it? Round 214, Division 2. So problem A, I'm looking at the problem statement, it's like so verbose, like so long. I'm just trying to summarize it a little bit. So there are 4 guard posts in Dima's dorm. Each post contains 2 guards. You can bribe a guard by a chocolate bar or a box of juice. For each guard, you know the minimum price of the chocolate bar she can accept as a gift and the minimum price of the box of juice she can accept as a gift. If a chocolate bar for some guard costs less than the minimum chocolate bar price for this guard is, or if a box of juice for some guard costs less than the minimum box of juice price for this guard, then the guard doesn't accept such gift. In order to pass through a guard post, one needs to bribe both guards. Okay, so the shop has an unlimited amount of juice and chocolate at any price starting with 1. Dima wants to choose some guard posts, buy 1 gift for each guard from the guard post, and spend exactly N rupee rubles on it, whatever. So help him choose a post through which he can safely sneak Ina, or otherwise say this is impossible. Mind you, Ina would be very sorry to hear that. I don't even know what. I hate the problem statements in Codeforces because they have so many unnecessary text that you don't need to know, and they're always I have to read the problem statement 5 times to understand the problem. So so I'm compiling my code. So let's wait until my old self goes back to his code. Maybe we can deduce something out of it. Okay, so I take the bribes from each guard. Oh, come on. So I submit it here, but I think my solution was wrong on the pretest, and I had to resubmit. Yeah, so wrong answer, so I'll probably look at the code. So come on, go back to the code. Oh yeah, I don't print the -1 at the end, so that was why. So I take the minimum of the 2 guards, then if the sum is less than n, you can choose whatever is at -1, and then you give the extra that you have to the other guard, provided that number is greater than what he needs. So yeah, it's super easy, I think. So now I'm looking at problem B. So Ina and Dima are now in one room. Ina tells Dima off for everything he does in her presence. After Ina tells him off for something, she goes to another room, walks there in circles. During that time, Dima has time to peacefully complete K-1 tasks. Okay. Then Ina returns and tells Dima off for the next task he does in her presence and goes to another room again. He continues until Dima is through with his tasks. Overall, Dima has n tasks to do. Each task has a unique number from 1 to n. Dima loves order, so he does tasks consecutively, starting from some task. Okay? For example, if Dima has 6 tasks to do in total, then if he starts from the 5th, the order is like that. First Dima does the 5th, 6th, and the first one, second one, and so on. So Ina tells Dima off so often and systematically that he's very well learned the power with which she tells him off for each task. Help Dima choose the first task so that in total he gets told off with as little power as possible. What's power here? So I have to read this again because I don't understand what the fuck is going on. So Ina tells him off for something. She goes to another room, walks in circles. So during that time she has time to complete K-1 tasks. Oh, okay. So let's look at the explanation for the sample. So the first example, n is equal to 6 and k is equal to 2, and then you're given 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. So what are those numbers? So the first line of the input contains 2 integers. The second line contains n integers, where AI is the power Ina tells Dima off with if she's present in the room while she's doing the task. So we want to minimize the numbers that she tells us off when she finds us at those points. Okay. Man, it's a lot easier to understand the top quarter problems. The code forces, fuck. Okay, so I don't actually feel like understanding this problem again, so I'll just end the commentary here. If you wanna read over the problem statement yourself 10 times on codeforces.com, feel free to do so. I know that you can see what I wrote down here. I got the wrong solution on the pretest, and then I got it correct the second time I submitted. Basically, I think I did some simulation. I tried all possible starting points because she always comes in at k-1. So simulation, then pick the highest one, something like that. So feel free to watch the rest of the video, but the commentary ends here.